Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Go ahead and click on password manager. Then here we go. Scroll down right here and review and get to google.com. Click on that. Enter your security lock pattern. Then you have your Gmail password right here. This is your Gmail ID. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.